Hi. So the question is, what is this guy? So this is smart electric sharpening pen, or this is a grinding pen. Why do I need it? Because if I'm working on a PCB, we'll see what we need it for. But let's first unbox this guy. So this is all we get. A cable, charging cable, USB Type-C. I like the USB Type-C because I think that in the next coming years everything will go from micro USB to Type-C. This is the new charging way, the grinding pen itself and the accessories for it. So we have many things inside, and this is what we get. And basically very simple, you just need to apply the accessories that you would like to use. For example, let's take this one. Aha, you cannot put it, so probably, yeah, there is a screwdriver attached to the back of it, and you just need to open it, and then you can insert it properly, I guess, or not. Aha, you have on both sides the screwdriver. This is interesting. Why do I need on both sides? I don't know. Yeah, but if I open the both sides, I can insert it and adjust the height, and I can close it back. Probably I open it too much. No need. Well, this is how it goes. Charging back port from the edge, and we maybe can try to apply power and see if it has any marking of charging. Yeah, it is. So probably all the LEDs, it's almost fully charged, by the way. Interesting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why 9? I don't know, but you have 9 LEDs, because I expect 10, but 9 is okay. And then you just press here, and it is starting to spin. 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 levels of speed, but I'm not interested about the level of the speed as long as it works. But I want to show you why I don't use Dremel for it. So let's see and compare the size. So this is a portable Dremel, and many use this one guy, but look what is the size of this one compared to this tiny, compared to my hand, let's say, a tiny part. And actually it is nice when you're working with delicate things like for example PCB like this. And if I have the solder mask, which is the green part on the copper, and I cannot attach and solder something in order to connect, and I need to remove the solder mask. So this is basically what it is doing. It should remove the solder mask. If you can see, it remove it quickly, and it's very easy to use it for such a thing. By the way, don't know why all of the accessories are like a cutting, and I don't need all this cutting. Maybe I can cut the edge, because I don't need, I need more something like this, which is better for example for removing solder mask and things like this. And in order to show you it properly or better, I will put it under a microscope and you will see how it goes. Okay, so here you see a microscope picture. This is a very high quality microscope that anyone that is using electronics should have one of these. It's not very cheap, but it's not also very expensive, about $150 US. Now we will see the grinding pen under the microscope. You see it's very big compared to the size that you can see here. Okay, and now I will do the grinding and you will see how it looks like when not using it. So I will start to spin it, and then you just gently attach the areas that you would like to grind, and very easily it's remove all the solder mask. And of course you can use maybe a knife to do it, but this is a, let's say, better way, as you can see, to remove it very easily. And if you have very gentle traces on your PCB, so you would like maybe to use the more sharp one, I will try to find it. I have one of these in this kit, and I will show you how the sharp one looks like. Okay, so now I have the very sharp one. It's very sharp. Under the microscope it will show very big, but let's consider one spot to better focusing, and look like how it goes. You just find the place that you want to use. And you can very easily remove all the solder mask and use it. That's all. Thank you and bye.